Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Look what my wife got me. She got me a Kraton EXB 1/8 scale. It's just a roller, but it comes with all the 775 aluminum on it. Give you a quick shot of the box. Do this real quick. Everything you need. Sorry about my fingers, but you need a controller, the radio, servo, ESC motor, and batteries. One or two. 1/6S would be good to fit in this. She did. She did go buy this. So here you got. I know the light's kind of messed up in here. It's raining outside. That's why I'm closed off in my garage today. It's got the 775 front and rear shock towers, aluminum anodized chassis, center brace. You can see all that. I don't know how clear that is, but nice EXB front bumper. It says the wheel hubs for increased strength or thicker. And there's the diffs are supposed to be plated limited slip differentials. We're going to try those out. We're definitely going to tear them apart and make sure those are in there and have oil in them. Heavy duty front upper steel hinge pins. Heavy duty steel turnbuckles, which are nice and thick. Nice big radio box. Yeah, so durable steel drive shaft throughout. High downforce wing. Yeah, there you go. Let's see what the back of this thing's heavy. See, it's upside down, but let's see. There you go. And some nice shock braces right here. The back. Looks good. Nice big bumper. Skid plate. The packaging. Got the nice braces in the side, inside there now, nice aluminum braces instead of the plastic. This is the way it's laid out in there now with all these spacers, and I don't know, they must turn. Somehow they do something in there. I'm not sure exactly how those work, but and it all comes in one color when you get the roller like this, the XB. Just a black mat. So all right, let me get this unboxed and on the table for us. Give me a minute. Sorry about the movement of the camera again, guys. It's a little big to do in the stand. Okay, there you go. This is what comes in the box. You get the car. That comes not on it. I put my JJ Customs sticker on it already. Peeled off that on there. The Horizon Hobby sticker on the nose. I peeled that off and put the JJ Customs sticker on there. Got to represent. Yeah, so look at that thing. That thing's a beast. I've always wanted one of these. Ever since they came out with the 4S line, I've wanted a Kraton. I just never got one. So in the bag, you get your stickers, your Arrma stickers, and your book. A pretty good book. You can change out your shocks. Some of them have like 8 holes, some of them have 10 holes, some of them have 4 holes, you know. I don't think this one even has holes in it. So if you want to make them really stiff to where it comes up even slower or doesn't come up at all, you know, you just change those out to let the oil through. So the oil has to go on the outside rather than through the holes. You know, to make it either slower or faster on the rebound or even the hit. So like if you jump and you got them, the solid ones in there, it'll be a solid hit. When you got more holes in it, it'll give it more cushion, right? Nice wrenches. This is a good wrench. And then you got your shims for the diffs, front and rear. I will be checking those out to make sure I don't need any of those. Everyone says you do, so we'll have to check it out and see if this is a newer version, older version, or you know they always change it. So we'll see. Here's my nice new SpeedTek RC scissors that I picked up. I wanted to see what this gear is. It doesn't. They never say what the gear is on it because they just put this generic high-speed gearing in, and this is probably only like a 10 tooth or something like that. Doesn't say. I can't read it. I'm gonna open it up. See what it says. I'm curious now. It does come with screws, looks like for the motor, and then something else there, which I'm not sure. So it doesn't say what this is. How funny. Like some sort of just generic. Alright, bear with me guys, I'm gonna count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's a 12 tooth. Mod 1. It does come with a grub screw. And then some other screw for this, which I don't know what that is for. But I guess we can read the instructions and find out. This black looks awesome, guys. That's a very pretty body. I got the chrome decal. Looks good on there. Right. I will be putting my SpeedTek RC on there and RC hop-ups sticker on here somewhere. I'll be doing all those stickers on there. That will be my new show you guys that too. I'm going to be showing off a lot of product from these guys, so stay tuned for a lot of hop-up parts, a lot of aluminum parts, stuff like that. You know, he's got a lot of SCX6 stuff in right now. Some 1/5 scale. This is the 1/8 scale, but 1/5 scale Kraton and Outcast arms, aluminum, stuff like that. So, yeah, so that'll be coming to the channel too. Show you guys some new product over at JJ Customs that he's got customers in, or vendors in now. So, yeah, this thing looks so sweet. So this must be like a bashing gear is what it is, right? I would have to look up and see what the center spool is. So you put your servo in here. It's got a servo horn, which I hope that's a 25, but we'll see, 25 tooth. But we'll see what that is. It's got it. I'm just gonna put the same. Everyone was asking me online because I posted online already. I'm just gonna put this in came out of my Typhon, 6S Typhon, with the same motor. It's going to be an exact fit, so I won't have to do nothing to it. It'll be nice to go and bash it like that. I think I have a cheap little servo. I might buy a servo. We'll see. I have a 25, the Amazon special that I'll probably throw in there. They're pretty good. They're cheap. Good to bash with. Or is this a 20? I might buy a 25 for it. Yeah, I have a 20. So we'll see how that works. And then I'm just going to throw in my Fly Sky. I'll throw this in there. My Fly Sky. And for now, see how those work. I have a radio link if I need to, but that'll be my radio. Fly Sky, it's a good bashing radio. Takes abuse. So there you go, guys. This thing looks sweet. All the red anodized stuff. Yeah, nice. All EXB stuff on here. Big old tires. I do think I'm gonna need to vent these though. They don't look vented. I think they're only vented on the inside. So we'll probably need to poke a couple holes in this. Get a little poker and heat it up and poke it through. Yeah, so there you go, guys. That'll be a good little project for me to do. Throw all this electronics in and a servo in and all that. But like I said, I want to check all these diffs out. Make sure there's oil in them before you go anywhere. Even the center diff I'm going to pull out. Make sure there's oil in that one. So I'm going to do a whole rebuild on this thing, you know, how you got to do before I run it. I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to drive it. It's too pretty. But just got to get that first scratch on it, and then it's all open games, guys. So just a quick unboxing. So let you guys see there's something else coming to the channel. There's going to be a lot more coming to the channel with this RC hop-ups too, showing you guys product. It'll be for crawlers. He's going to get parts for everything. Not everything, but a lot of stuff. So it'll be stuff for crawlers, stuff for bashers, stuff for, you know, street cars. So like I said, right now he's got tools, more tools coming in from SpeedTek. So, you know, speed gears, spools. I'll be putting a spool in my race car, my infraction. Just found out those guys are using spools to race with, and I'm not, so that might help me out a little bit. We'll see how my driving style is, but there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more, and hit that bell if you want to see more. You know, still trying to get to that 1,000. We're close. I think I was at 374 or something like that, or somewhere around there. So let's try to keep sharing my videos, and we can do those giveaways. Get that done and over with. So all right, and get you guys maybe a little giveaway or something like that. So all right, guys, have a good one.